Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers coming at you with a box of 2013 Prestige Football box break. We'd like to thank everybody for joining us tonight. All the names have been random. And just make sure you check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. And got some great specials on there, great prices. And we've had some amazing hits so far. Alright guys, here it is. Last box of the case. Have one more case that we're going to be doing something with in the next few days and week ahead. Box is empty, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll take the first pack right off the top. Good luck, everyone. Jeremy knows who it is. Very good, Jeremy. Yeah, but Justin, it works. That song works. And if you know what the song is, you know what it means. Roddy White. And we're just going to go through the base cards, guys. We know we know that the base are in here. There's a lot of them. Ryan Broyles, Fred Jackson, and a Manti Te'o. And that's a prestigious picks going to the San Diego Chargers, my buddy Glenn. And the rookie Landry Jones going to the Pittsburgh Steelers, Brian R. And Brandon Myers, Jake Locker, and Jeremy Macklin. We're breaking right now. And here is a decoy. I believe it's got the rookie under it. Chris Gregg going to the Buffalo Bills. That's Glenn H. Owen Daniel, Lance Briggs, Dwayne Bowe. And we got Alec Lemon, extra points. That's going to the Houston Texans, Glenn H. Daniel Thomas, Darrell Richardson, and Drew Brees. Just so everybody knows, Glenn has 18 of the 32 teams in here. So we're going to be hearing his name called a lot. Alex Smith, DeMarcus Ware, Holly Nagata, and speaking of Justin Hunter, Draft City Destinations, and that's going to T.Y. Slice. The rookie Chris Harper going to Michael W., Seattle Seahawks. Christian Ponder, Malcolm Floyd, and Darren Sproles. I'll give Jeremy a second or two. Alright, let's hope the video is off for him. Aaron Rodgers, Brandon LaFell, T.Y. Hilton base, and a Monty Ball draft tickets, Denver Broncos. That is going to Brian R. And the rookie, Mike Gillespie, going to the Miami Dolphins, Glenn. Percy Harvin, Darrell Rivas, and Robert Griffin. Jermaine Gresham, Carson Palmer, Tavares Jackson, and a Cordell Patterson NFL Passports. That's going to the Minnesota Vikings, Glenn H. And the rookie Denard Robinson, Jacksonville Jaguars, also going to Glenn H. Plaxico, Russell Wilson, Santonio Holmes. Steve, you didn't hit enough in the last box, did you? We got a jersey in here, gentlemen. And just so you know, this is the Saints hit. It is damaged in the corner right off the pack. That's Glenn. Glenn, I know you're a Saints fan. I'll still send it out to you. But I don't want you to think it was anything I did in the shipping or anything. Just so you see it, the corner is badly banged there. And here we have an Andy Dalton jersey. That's going to the Cincinnati Bengals. Also Glenn. Very nice hit, Glenn. And the base cards are Steven Jackson, Brendan Pettigrew, Cam Newton, Andrew Luck, Kendall Wright, Brent Selleck, and Cameron Wake. I like the archives. I really like the archives. A.J. Green, Jamal Charles, Jason Witten, and a Keenan Allen prestigious picks going to the Chargers, Glenn, and a Bjorn Werner going to the Indianapolis Colts, Michael W. Phillip Rivers, Lance Moore, and Marshawn Lynch. Oh, Steve, that's okay. You still got some nice hits in the first box. You cleaned it up there, buddy. And a decoy. And for the Eagles, Matt Barkley, rookie. That's going to go to Glenn. Joe Flacco, Reggie Bush. And we got a printing plate, gentlemen. Last box printing plate. 1-of-1 mojo. 1-of-1 mojo. Yeah, Cole, I'll send you out one of each for you. Jeremy Curley, Sean Green, Aaron Hernandez. And let's see who it is, boys and girls. We're going to turn it over. Julio Jones, 1-of-1 printing plate. Atlanta Falcons, my man Jeremy. Very nice hit, Jeremy J. Thought he was on a cold streak, but he comes back and he gets a Julio Jones. 1-of-1 on 9th one. Our 9th 1-of-1. In what, 3 weeks, guys? Who else gets more 1-of-1s than the Case Breakers? Nobody. That is insane. Congratulations, Jeremy, my man. I hope he's still with us. Very nice hit for you, my friend. He thought he was going to get skunked, but he didn't. A DeTony Jones rookie going to the Green Bay Packers. And that is going to Glenn. Josh Cribbs, Patrick Peterson, Matthew Stafford, Kevin Kolb, Frank Gore, Andre Brown, and Dallas Clark. I think he might have fainted, guys. I think he might have fainted. Steve, that is unheard of. 3 1-of-1s in a per week. It's on average. That's crazy. Tony Romo, Julio Jones, Mikel LaShaw, and a A.J. Green, stars of the NFL, going to the Cincinnati Bengals, Glenn H. And the rookie for the Houston Texans, DeAndre Hopkins, also going to Glenn H. Anquan Bolden, Mark Sanchez, and Kenny Brett. Guys, I think we might have lost Jeremy. It's possible that he passed out from the excitement, or maybe he just lost his phone connection. We don't know. Welcome back, Jeremy. Welcome back. Glad you were able to see it, buddy. Scott Chandler, Maurice Jones-Drew, J.J. Watt, and a Quinton Patton. Draft tickets going to the San Francisco 49ers, also for Jeremy. And a Ryan Nassib, rookie for the New York Giants, going to Glenn H. LaShawn McCoy, Dustin Keller, and James Laurinaitis. He is back. Deviette Posey, Michael Bush, Rashad Jennings. We didn't get one of these in the last couple of boxes, but we did now. Inside the numbers, Michael Crabtree for the 49ers, also going to Jeremy. And a Rodney Smith rookie for the Minnesota Vikings. That's going to Glenn. Nick Foles, Brian Hartline, and Chris Gibbons. Jeremy, we're going to be looking into Google Hangout tomorrow or Sunday, so just bear with us, buddy. Andy Dalton, Jonathan Baldwin, DeMarco Murray, and a Cordell Patterson NFL passport, and that's going to Glenn. And the rookie is Ezekiel Ansah for the Detroit Lions, going to Jeremy. Jeremy is back in business. Marquise Colston, Golden Tate, Bilal Powell. Yeah, I got you, T.Y. Slice. And it's TCB, the Case Breakers. Sean Witherspoon, Nakadang Sue, Joe Hayden, and a Kajon Barner extra points autograph. Carolina Panthers coming in with a very nice hit, going to Glenn H, number 81 of 100. Very nice hit. Let me put that in a top load for you, Glenn. Yeah, that's what we're going. We're looking into. I just got to make sure that we can get it on our site and everything, and doing it. That's a nice hit, Glenn. Congrats on that, buddy. Guys, I love this Prestige. This Prestige is some nice stuff. The rookie for the Oakland Raiders, Tyler Wilson. That's going to go to Glenn. And Jared Cook, Rob Gronkowski, and Patrick Willis. Jacoby Jones, Jermichael Finley, Jay Cutler, and a DeAndre Hopkins going to the Texans, Glenn H. And the rookie, Jawan Jameson, going to Steve H. with the 49ers. Mike Williams, Darren McFadden, and Fred Davis. Guys, we're going to put up some more Prestige tomorrow. Do some kind of weird mix. Everybody likes the mixer, so we'll come up with something tomorrow. Blaine Gabbett, Josh Gordon, Rashad Mendenhall, and a Keenan Allen NFL passports. That's going to go to the Chargers, Glenn. And the rookie, Tyler Eifert, going to the Cincinnati Bengals, also going to Glenn. And Heath Miller, Danny Amendola, and Michael Crabtree. We should still have 2 jerseys and 1 more order left, guys. Vaughn Miller, Steve Johnson, Andre Johnson, And a NFL draft picks Justin Hunter going to T.Y. Slice. We're going to slow it down just a little bit for Jeremy. And the rookie in here is Kevin Minter. And we'll go through the base. Victor Cruz, Doug Martin, and Marcel Reese. I think Jeremy's back. At least I hope he is. Matt Forte, Demarius Thomas, Dennis Pitta, and a Eddie Lacy. Be nice an autograph. Prestigious picks, non-autograph, going to the Green Bay Packers, Glenn. And the Kevin Minter's going to go to Glenn as well. And here we go for the Chiefs, going to Cole D. Eric Fisher, rookie card. Ryan Tannehill, Adrian Peterson, and Ryan Matthews. And this is probably one of the jerseys, fellas. Randall Cobb, Greg Olson, Jarrell Freeman. Nope, it's just a decoy. And a Desmond Trufant, extra points red, going to the Falcons. Jeremy J again cleaning up this box. And the rookie, Geno Smith. That's going to the New York Jets again, Jeremy. Eli, Vincent Jackson, and Denarius Moore. Now this is a big one. This is a thick pack. And I'm wondering, so I don't see that many big packs out there. I'm wondering if the printing plate was in place of a hit. Miles Austin, Jaquiz Rogers, Devin Hester, and a E.J. Manuel prestigious, NFL draft picks, Buffalo Bills, Glenn. And Glenn, you're going to like this, buddy. A Kenny Stills jersey, number 48 of 199. That's coming your way. And it's his jersey number backwards. He wears 84. This is number 48. So just turn it upside down and you're good to go, buddy. The rookie, Matt Scott, for the Jacksonville Jaguars. That's Glenn H. Sidney Rice, Ryan Kerrigan, Sam Bradford. One more autograph, and like I said, I don't know if there's going to be a jersey in here or not. Justin Blackman, Trent Richardson, Matt Ryan, and a Robert Woods draft tickets going to the Buffalo Bills, Glenn. And a Theo Riddick, Detroit Lions rookie, that's going to Jeremy. Stevan Ridley, Vernon Davis, and David Wilson. That's awesome, Jeremy. Tell everybody about it. Glenn's gotten some great cards from us. Cole's gotten some nice cards. Everybody has gotten some great cards. Steven. I know Casey and Justin have gotten some nice cards. Calvin Johnson, CJ Spiller, Arian Forster, and a Manti Teo NFL passports going to Glenn. And the rookie is Kenny Stills. That's also going to Glenn. Levante David, Deshaun Jackson, and Mike Wallace. And guys, if you go on a little cold streak, don't get upset. They all come back around. It comes back around. Steven, I don't know if you hit anything. No, you didn't hit anything, buddy. There was no hit. It was a Kenny Stills rookie and a Manti Teo NFL drafts. There was no hit. A Charles Tillman, Mercedes Lewis, Des Bryant, and a Terrence Williams on-card autograph going to the Dallas Cowboys, Glenn H. And a Barkevius Mingo, Isaiah Peed, Vince Wilfork, Richard Seymour, and Glenn, I'm going to put this in a top load for you, buddy. Terrence Williams NFL Passport autograph. Hey guys, one thing I don't understand, I'm going to show you this. It's an NFL passport. I mean, you can see it right down there, NFL passport. But the NFL passports look like this. Wouldn't it have made more sense to make a space here to put the autograph on these cards? I think it would have. But I still think they're beautiful autographs. We did have one jersey, Steve. It was a Kenny Stills. Kenny Stills jersey. Oh, and guys, you know what? We did get our second hit. I totally forgot about this card. The Andy Dalton. We did get the jersey. So Panini came through again. And the last pack, lady and gentlemen. I'm going to tweet that out for John to see, Glenn. Clay Matthews, Brandon Marshall, Cecil Shorts, and a Cordell Patterson prestigious picks. That's going to Glenn. And a Marquise Goodwin rookie. That's also going to Glenn. Brian Arakpo, Troy Polamalu, and Shane Vereen. All right, thank you for joining us, everyone. Don't forget, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com.